Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone, especially those at the other side of the world. There is no time and space between us. There is only this present moment, and we are one. On diary entry number 1033. When I see that the burden is beyond my strength, I do not consider or analyze it or probe into it, but I run like a child to the heart of Jesus and say only one word to him: "You can do all things." And then I keep silent because I know that Jesus himself will intervene in the matter. And as for me, instead of tormenting myself, I use that time to love him. Kapag nakikita ko na ang pasanin ay lampas sa aking lakas, hindi ko ito sinasaalang-alang o sinusuri o sinisiyasat. Ngunit tumatakbo ako na parang bata sa puso ni Jesus, at ito lamang ang sinasabi ko sa kanya: "Kaya mo ang lahat ng bagay." At pagkatapos ay tumatahimik ako, dahil alam kong si Jesus mismo ang mamamagitan sa bagay na iyon. At para sa akin, sa halip na pahirapan ang aking sarili, ginagamit ko ang oras na iyon para mahalin siya. Nakita niyo siguro yung mga news last night about how the translation went through, no? Nakita ko yung numbers. Alam niyo ba na yung devotion to the Black Nazarene is increasing, no? Nakakatuwa. Sa kabila pala nung parang nakikita natin yung mundo natin ay parang paano na, no? Yung bang darkness has been all around, no? Parang napakapangit na ng itsura ng mundo natin. Pero nakita ko yung numbers no, sa mga deboto na nire-risk yung sarili, nagsasacrifice, no? Every year. Pataas siya ng pataas. No? In 2016, if I'm not mistaken, parang nasa 1 million yung dumalo dun sa sa celebration. And then last year, 2024, it was around 6 million. And the estimate for this year, 2025, parang hindi naglalalayo sa ganun. It's a sea of souls. Makikita mo yung living souls, multitude of souls who are hungry for the mercy of God. Kasi Black Nazarene, hindi naman divine mercy, no? Pero ganun din yun eh. Why are these people, why are these souls there? Why would they enter into that very difficult situation, no? Mga may sakit, tutulog sa kalsada, patiently would wait for the passing of Nuestro Padre, Jesus Nazareno. Parang sabi ko, grabe yung desperation of souls for the mercy of God. Ganun kalaki yung pagkapit nila. Kasi ito yung sinasabi na natin, no? In the diary entry number 1033, wala na silang makakapitan. Yung problema nila parang beyond their capacity to resolve. And look at them. Mahawakan lang, mahaplos lang yung andas ng mahal na Poong Nazareno. Talagang, o kaya, madaan lang sa harap nila. Kasi yung iba, hindi na naman talaga mahawakan yan. No? Hawakan lang yung lubid. Ano ba yung lubid? No? It's not the hem. Hindi yan yung laylayan ng damit ng Poong Nazareno. Pero people would reach out to that rope So all these are signs of desperation. All these are signs of souls who are begging for the Lord's mercy. So imagine ninyo, kung ganyang kadami yung mga tao were present yesterday, ilan dyan yung maliligtas natin? Ilan dyan yung matutulungan natin? Or maybe we're one of them, no? Siguro yung iba sa inyo nandun din. So look at how people, everyday living souls, are needing the Lord's mercy. Kaya ganyan kahalaga yung ginagawa natin. Ganyan kahalaga yung debosyon sa banal na awa. And sometimes if you would feel like, ako kasi nararamdaman ko din yun, ano, yung parang nakakasawa, nakakatamad, parang nakakalungkot na ba yung nakapagod, minsan nababurn out, minsan nawawalan tayo ng inspirasyon. Pero alam niyo ba na at the end of the day, matutulog ako. Sabi ko, I still have to wake up at 2:30. Maraming nag-iintay na kaluluwa. Now, despite all the difficulties in life, the problems in life, all minsan boring na, no? Hindi mo na alam kung tama pa ba ginagawa mo. No one's telling you this and that kapag wala ka namang someone you are, someone who can, who can support you spiritually. Like the spiritual director that Faustina had. We have to enkindle our passion. As we begin this year, 2025, the Jubilee year of 2025, kayo ba, nakapagsimula na ba kayo na magtala na kung anong gusto niyong gawin for this year? Because this is a challenging year. So makikita mo yun, pwede mo nang gawing barometro, no? Sukatan, yung translasyon kahapon, kung paano ang bawat isa ay nangangailangan ng awa ng Diyos. At kailangan nating ipaunawa sa kanila na hindi nila kailangan gawin yun. That even if they are not present during the translation, they can have the mercy of God. Makakamta nila ang awa ng Diyos. Hindi sa tao ng selebrasyon lamang. No? Because it is available 24 hours a day, 24/7. Because the divine mercy does not sleep. Di naman yung katulad natin na natutulog. Meron tayong tungkulin na ipaalam yan sa maraming mga tao na talagang desperate. No? May sakit na hindi makapagpagamot. Hindi gumagaling. Walang capacity to help themselves. So, bahagi tayo ng kailangan magpaunawa. Kailangan nilang kapitan, hindi yung physical na lubid. Kailangan nilang kapitan ay ang banal na awa, the divine mercy. And if we would give them the image, one of the elements of the devotion, malaki ang matutulong ng image pa lang, na pwede nilang hawakan 24 hours a day. Kasi yung lubid ng translasyon, once a year. No, pero yung image, maliit na image ng divine mercy, we would give them that image. Pwede nilang kapitan all year round, whenever they want, wherever they are. So let's all be active. Let's burn this passion in our heart to propagate the divine mercy. Huwag nating pagsawaan. I'm talking to myself kasi nga minsan dumarat tayo doon sa parang nakakatamad na, no? Parang, ang ganun ba? No? Yung meron kang pakiramdam na bumababa yung energy level mo, your passion is going down. But you have to push. No? Kailangan mo itulak yung sarili mo to go back to the loop. No? Doon sa ikot na yan. Doon sa loop. Para maging isa ulit tayo. So let's continue to pray for one another. Let's continue to pray for all those people. Nakasalalay kasi po ang mga kaluluwang yan sa ating ding debosyon, sa ating commitment. Of course, Jesus will do His work dahil gawain niya to. But the Lord wants us to help Him because in that way, we would also be helping our own souls.